Alam mo ba, nahuhulihin ka ng LTO officer kung mali ang restriction code o driver's license code mo? Halimbawa, nagmamaneho ka ng tricycle pero pang motor lang pala ang nakalagay sa lisensya mo. O kaya naman nagmamaneho ka ng van pero pang kotse lang pala ang nasa driver's license code mo. Ayon sa Administrative Order Number 2014-01 na mula sa DOTR, kailangan mo magbayad ng 3,000 piso kung mahuli ka ng officer na nagmamaneho gamit ang maling restriction code o driver's license code. What?
Tara! Pasok na sa Unified Payment Center!
Business yung pwede kong ialok. Then ito nga, eventually, lumabas tong Unified Products and Services. So, in-offer namin, sir, na franchise business. So, we pioneered the one-stop shop service in the Philippines. Paano kayo yung mga ordinaryong tao? Anong business yung pwede nating ilagay sa mga taong may cellphone? Lahat ng may cellphone ngayon, pwedeng mag-load. Diba? Pwedeng magbayad ng bills. Pwedeng mag-remit. Pwedeng bumili ng ticket. Lahat ng yon nilagay namin ngayon sa app. Then, nilabas namin ngayon yung home-based business namin. Na katulad mong ordinaryong tao, na wala ka pang 600,000, na may cellphone ka, pwede mong simulan yung business mo. So, nag-deploy kami, Philippines. Actually, pumutok talaga yung concept namin. Wala po kaming partner na hindi kami top-notcher. Pwede kang magnegosyo sa Unified Products and Services.
Tumbas ng lumang restriction codes papunta sa bagong driver's license codes. Parehas lang ba ang dalawa? O kailangan mo pang magdagdag ng bagong driver's license code o DL code?
Unified Products and Services is a Philippine-based company that offers a range of products and services in the fields of e-commerce, remittance, bills payment, ticketing, and other related businesses. Unified Products and Services operates through a network of independent business partners who provide these services to customers. The company provides a platform and training to individuals who want to start their own business as UPS business partners. These partners can offer various services to their customers. Unified Products and Services aims to empower individuals to become entrepreneurs by providing them with a comprehensive business system, marketing tools, and ongoing support. Unified Products and Services serves as a platform for individuals to start their own business, contributing to the growth of e-commerce and financial transactions in the Philippines and all around the world.
Punta tayo sa advantages at disadvantages ng bagong sistema. Unahin natin ng advantages. Advantages.
Actually, when we started the business in 2011, we are a franchise business. Sabi ko, anong business yung pwede kong i-offer sa kanila? Na pag binigay ko, kahit hindi na kami magkita, kahit hindi na kami mag-usap, tuloy negosyo niya. Hindi ko na-wonder na darating yung point of time na lalabas yung Unified Products and Services as an app right now, as an super app right now. So we pioneered the one-stop shop service in the Philippines. Diba? Sa Pilipinas ngayon, sa totoo lang, kami po yung trendsetter. Kami nagsiset ng culture ngayon ng super app sa Pilipinas. 90% of our transactions coming from Unified Products and Services. Kami po yung top-notch. Wala po kaming partner na hindi kami top-notch. Kaya pumutok po yung franchise business namin. very grateful and thankful ako working. Maybe